Tip 95. Tilting at windmills.
Dialogue.
Oh days! What are you doing trying that with this tool? You're tilting at windmills.
Which one should I use?
An adjustable wrench would be ideal. To find the right size.
You're right. My way seemed quite dangerous.
Remember that safety should always be your utmost priority.
Could you please tell me something about each tool?
For sure. Spanners and wrenches. Used to provide grip and mechanical advantage in applying torque to turn objects. Single open-ended spanner. Single-ended ring spanner. Ratchet ring spanner. Double open-ended spanner. Double-ended ring spanner. Double-ended ratchet ring spanner. Socket wrench. Torque wrench. Adjustable torque wrench. Screwdrivers and screws. Bolts. Used for screwing and unscrewing, inserting and removing screws and bolts. Flat head screwdriver. Flat head screw. Phillips screwdriver. Phillips head screw. Square screwdriver. Internal square bolt. External square head screw.
What is the difference between a screw and a bolt?
A bolt has a parallel section between the threaded section and the head. A screw has no parallel section, so the thread goes all the way to the head. Exercise. Answer. What is important about tools?
Choosing the right tool for each repair.
What can avoid to choose the right tool for each repair?
Can avoid spending more time than necessary and also to break down your tools.
What can save your time when working on a repair?
To know each tool and its function, as well as the right size to choose.
What wrenches should be ideal to have?
Adjustable wrenches.
What should be the utmost priority during a repair?
Safety should be the utmost priority.
Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.